Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English is Easy. If you are listening to this episode right now, congratulations! You already started your day with English.
Exactly. You're already winning. And today, we're going to make your day even better because we're talking about 5 simple techniques to improve your English during your morning routine.
Yes, 5 techniques. Not 25, not 50, just 5. Simple, effective, and easy for beginners.
But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this episode, and share it with your friends. It helps a lot, and it makes us super happy.
Very happy. And also, tell us in the comments where you are listening from. We love seeing all the countries and cities. It feels like we travel every time we read your messages.
Absolutely. And remember, your English will improve. Your efforts will pay off. Even small efforts count.
All right, let's imagine it's morning. Maybe you just woke up. Maybe you're still half asleep. Maybe you look like a sleepy panda.
Like me, every morning, I need at least 10 minutes before my brain starts working.
10 minutes? My brain needs a whole breakfast. But the good news is, even if your brain is slow in the morning, you can still practice English with zero pain.
Yes, and technique number 1 is perfect for sleepy brains. Listening.
Listening to something in English while you get ready. A podcast, a radio show, a short audio.
And don't worry, you don't need to understand everything. Just let the English float around your ears.
Like coffee for your brain.
Exactly. You don't study, you just listen. Maybe 5 minutes, or 10, or 20 if you have more time.
And you can choose easy content. BBC Learning English, VOA Learning English, ESL Pod, clear voices, everyday vocabulary.
And you can listen while brushing your teeth, making your breakfast, choosing your clothes, or searching for your other sock.
Why do socks disappear?
I think there is a secret sock monster in every house.
Probably. But anyway, listening in English in the morning helps train your ears, even if you don't pay full attention.
And the more you do it, the more your brain gets used to English sounds. It becomes natural.
And fun fact, you can listen even with a tired face. No problem.
Technique number 2 is reading something short, really short.
Yes, people think they need 30 minutes or 1 hour to read. No, you can read for 5 minutes, even 2 minutes.
A short article, a small paragraph of a book, a simple news app.
Something at your level, not Shakespeare at 6 in the morning. Please, no.
Definitely no Shakespeare before coffee.
You can read an article on a news app for learners, or 1 page of a book, or a short blog post.
And the goal is not to become a genius. The goal is to see vocabulary in real context.
Exactly. And your brain remembers vocabulary better when you see it often.
And you can choose something fun, something you like. Food, travel, animals, music.
5 minutes of reading every morning equals 35 minutes a week. That's more than 2 hours a month.
Wow, without feeling like you're studying.
Now, technique number 3, speaking in front of the mirror.
This one is scary for some people.
Yes, but it works. You stand in front of the mirror and you tuck, just a little.
You can describe your clothes. I am wearing a blue shirt. I am wearing jeans.
Or describe your plan for the day. Today, I have work. Today, I want to study English. Today, I will clean the kitchen.
Or you can talk about yesterday. Yesterday, I watched a movie. Yesterday, I went to the supermarket. Yesterday, I slept a lot.
This mirror practice helps you speak with more confidence. No fear, no judgment.
And the mirror never says your English is bad.
No, the mirror only says you look sleepy.
True, but this technique helps you build spontaneous speaking habits.
And you don't need to be perfect. Just talk, even 3 sentences every morning.
For example, today I feel good. Today I will study English. Today is a new day.
That's enough. And if you want a challenge, try not to stop. Talk for 30 seconds without pausing. Like this. I am brushing my hair is messy, I need coffee, I want toast.
Exactly. This is good practice because you think in English.
Which brings us to technique number 4, using a learning app for 5 minutes.
Yes, 5 minutes, not 20, not 50, 5. That's enough. You can practice vocabulary with spaced repetition. Words come back again and again so your brain remembers.
Apps like Duolingo, Memorize, Drops, Anki, easy to open, easy to use, easy to close.
You can do it while you drink your coffee, or wait for the bus, or wait for your toast to pop.
Exactly. Little moments become learning moments.
I like using a language app while my coffee machine makes noise.
The noise is like a soundtrack for studying.
Yes, very dramatic. But seriously, 5 minutes a day makes your vocabulary stronger.
And because it's short, it's easy to do every day.
Now, technique number 5, change the language on your phone or apps.
Not everything if it stresses you, but maybe Instagram, Spotify, or the weather app.
Yes, small things. Your brain sees English naturally, without studying.
And you learn real vocabulary. For example, partly cloudy, shuffle mode, discover weekly.
Or notifications like, your package has been delivered.
Yes, everyday English.
And the best part is that it works automatically. You don't even think. You just read in English.
And it forces your brain to get used to English words every day.
Imagine waking up and checking the weather in English. Today is sunny. Today is rainy. Today is windy.
Or checking your messages in English. New message, new comment.
These are small things, but together they create a mini immersion.
And immersion is the secret to learning a language faster.
Now, let's imagine a full morning routine that includes all 5 techniques.
You wake up, you open your phone, the weather is in English. You read cloudy with sunny intervals.
You go to the bathroom. You listen to a podcast. The speaker says, "Good morning. Welcome back."
You make breakfast. You listen to more English, a story, a conversation, anything.
You sit down and you read one short article, maybe about food, travel, or cute animals.
Then you go to the mirror and talk. Hello, today I am going to work. Today I want to learn something new.
Then you take your coffee, you open your app and learn 5 new words.
And all of that, maybe 20 minutes total.
And you didn't force anything. You just lived your normal morning routine. But you practiced listening, speaking, reading, vocabulary, and immersion. That is powerful.
And the best part, the more you do it, the easier it becomes.
Because learning a language is not about one big study session. It's about small, regular habits.
Exactly. 5 minutes here, 3 minutes there. It adds up.
And every day, your English improves a little. You may not notice it immediately.
But one day, suddenly, you understand a podcast more easily. You speak more naturally. You find the right words faster.
And you think, wow, when did this happen?
It happened because you practiced a little every morning.
Yes, your morning routine becomes your private English training.
And the best part is that you can personalize it. If you like music, listen to songs in English in the morning.
If you like news, read English news.
If you like talking, talk to yourself for 1 minute.
If you like tech, change your apps to English.
These 5 techniques are flexible. You can use 1 or 2 or all 5.
And you can mix them. For example, listening plus mirror speaking.
Or reading plus app practice.
And if you are very busy, just choose one technique each day of the week.
Monday, listening. Tuesday, reading. Wednesday, mirror speaking. Thursday, app learning. Friday, phone in English.
That's a great weekly plan.
And on weekends, you can relax or repeat your favorite technique.
I like the mirror technique. It feels strange at first, but then it becomes fun.
I like reading something short. It gives me a calm moment.
Whatever you choose, remember, consistency is more important than perfection.
Yes, even if you speak slowly or make mistakes, it's totally fine.
Every learner makes mistakes. That's normal. The important part is that you keep going.
And if you continue, your English will grow.
So, listeners, choose one technique and try it tomorrow morning.
Or try all 5. You can do it.
Your brain will thank you.
And your English will definitely improve.
Before we end this episode, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast.
And tell us in the comments where you are listening from. We love reading your messages.
Thank you for starting your day with us.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
And keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.